Hi, in this tutorial we're going to talk about job costing versus process costing. Starting with process costing. Process costing is used by companies that produce really large numbers of identical units through a series of uniform production steps or processes. Usually these are lower cost items, and what happens is because the units are all so similar, virtually identical, we can take all the costs and divide them by the number of units we made and come up with a cost per unit because everything's the same. That's greatly simplifying process costing, but that's essentially what's going on with process costing. Examples of process costing include paint manufacturers, food processors, or food manufacturers, petroleum processors. Then we come to job costing. Job costing we use for unique custom ordered products. These are made in relatively small batches. Each unique product or batch of units is considered a separate job. Different jobs can vary considerably in direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead costs. So job costing tracks these costs separately for each individual job. Job costing can be used by Boeing for its aircraft, can be used by custom home builders, by high-end jewelers, because each piece is different. Furniture manufacturers, that the sofas and chairs have different styles, different fabrics. Those are all unique. Accounting firms, every job is different. Law firms, every job is different. People working in the trades, such as mechanics, plumbers, and electricians, also use job costing to determine the cost of the jobs. So the thing that all these things have in common is every job is different and needs to be tracked individually. So that's it for this video. Have a great day.